Hi,
Welcome to RecycleKart.
we are India's most reliable renewed brand.
At RecycleKart, our mission is to provide high-quality renewed laptops and desktops, helping you stay ahead in the digital world while protecting our planet. Each year, millions of tons of electronic waste are generated, posing a serious threat to our environment. At RecycleKart, we address this issue by carefully refurbishing used tech, making sure it works and looks like new and is reliable. Our expert engineers conduct rigorous quality checks, ensuring each device meets our high standards, providing certified quality and guaranteed peace of mind. By choosing RecycleKart, you are not just getting great tech, you are making a positive impact on our planet. Each purchase prevents 400 kg of carbon dioxide and 190 ton equivalent water is saved, making a greener future. Visit recyclekart.in today and explore our range of renewed laptops and desktops. Together, let's make technology sustainable.